In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your email signature in Salesforce. Having a professional email signature is an essential way to personalize your communication and make a lasting impression. Whether you're reaching out to new contacts or maintaining existing relationships, an eye-catching email signature helps in enhancing the professionalism of your emails significantly. So let's dive right into how you can set it up within Salesforce. First, to get started, you'll want to open Salesforce and navigate to your homepage. This is where you can access all your personal settings and preferences. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture or avatar. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu, and from here you'll need to select View Profile. This selection takes you to your user profile area where you can manage different personal settings related to your account. Next up, while you're on your profile, look for the Settings option. It's usually located near your preferences and profile information. Clicking on Settings will open up a new page where you can configure different aspects of your Salesforce experience. For our purposes today, we're interested in setting up your email signature, so let's focus on that. Once you're in the Settings section, the next step is to find the Email tab. Simply click on Email, which will direct you to the area where email settings are managed. It's in this section that you can tailor your emails to suit your personalized style and needs. Within the email settings, click on My Email Settings. This is where the magic happens, as you'll gain access to various options for how your emails are sent and received. Here, among other settings, is where you'll locate the option to set up your signature. Now, scroll through until you find the Signature section. This is the space where you can input your custom email signature. Think of the email signature as your digital business card. You can include your name, position, contact information, and even a small logo or image if you choose. The key is to keep it professional yet reflective of your brand or personal identity. Simply type in your desired signature details in the provided box. Ensure your signature is formatted clearly and contains all relevant information your contacts might need. Salesforce allows some basic formatting, so feel free to bold important details or add hyperlinks to your email address or LinkedIn profile if applicable. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, the final step is simple. Just hit the Save button to apply your new email signature to future emails, and there you have it. A personalized email signature ready to enhance your communication right from Salesforce. Remember, a well-crafted signature not only conveys professionalism, but also reinforces your brand each time you send an email. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.